Hi guys, my name is Mubashar Nauman, and I am a final year undergraduate student of computer science. My registration number is 2019 CS130. This is my game development project demo, which I studied in 7th semester from Sir Late Khan Niazi. Let's start this video. This is a plane shooter game, where a player is a plane, through which we can shoot and destroy enemy planes. Whenever the enemy planes are destroyed, they leave a coin. We can collect these coins through our player plane. The technologies we use to make these games are C# and Unity game engine. This is a 2D game which is also built for Android, and this is a very simple game. I use different concepts of Unity to make this game, such as background scrolling, clamping, shooting automatically, health bar creation, coin collecting, spawning, shredding, audio management, UI management, level management, and Unity particle effect. In the end, I would like to thank Sir Lake for teaching me with so much dedication.